I got you, sucker. Whoa. So this week we're gonna play an NES game. Why so many NES games? It was a great system. It's still a lot of fun to play. If you know me, you know I like several, like fanatically, several series. Resident Evil, Silent Hill, Rainbow Six. What's that other one that Tom Clancy does? Hawks. No, wait. Ghost Recon. That one's pretty good too. The newer entries I like better than the older entries, like the open world, like small team things. Black something. And the one before that, see, like, they're not even that great because I can't even remember what they're called. All I remember is one guy that me and my nephews had a nickname for, and it was hilarious, and even that's gone. Never get brain cancer. Your brain just, it's gone. Anyway, we're going to play Rescue, the embassy mission. Very Golgo 13-ish in the graphics. Lots of fun, like multiple different types of stage. I think there's like 4 in total. Yeah, easy to get lost and confused, like I just did on my practice run before we play. Here we go. Helicopter. So the first mission is we have to get the sniper in position. We'll just play training. So let's see if we can get Mike there. Run, Mike! Ah! Oh! That was close. Why are you taking so many risks? Jesus. Okay, next building over. Nice. Run. Oh, shot him in the face. Poor Steve. He dead. He dead. No one will hear that. Whisper quiet. Maybe that was the back capture. Okay, Mike. Let's see what you could do. Strange these people don't want to come near the windows. Oh. Fucking dead, bitch. And there's a warning to others. Wrong button. Let's go with Dick. Come on, Dick. Off the edge of the building. We're going in. Get in. Can Dick do it? What can't Dick do? I mean, seriously. Whew. Stressful. These beats pretty fresh, yo. Oh. Dick's got moves. Fuck yeah, game clear. When you press start to go to the next game, it brings you right back to the menu, which is just clever, I guess. Easy. Target. So much confidence, I don't think he'll survive. Now we're going in. Oh, now we're going in. Wait. Oh, hostage. Game clear. All the hostages survived. Oh, sorry. And who's that guy looking at the body? Is that Solid Snake? We'll never know. So I buzzed all my hair off. I have a job at the local Legion coming up soon, and my hair was kind of a mop. Kind of looked like shit during the wedding. Oops. Oh, I went to a wedding. It was great. So I figured it's just easier to buzz it off than try to cover it with a hat and then get in trouble for wearing a hat in the Legion. Anyways, the game was really fun, and I think I will play more later. I'm so busy. I'm editing that wedding video. I'm editing like 400 wedding photos. I have a cassette from someone that needs their psychic readings shown in their divorce court case. Now you know as much as I do, so don't ask. It's weird. I hope she is a client of mine, so I won't say anything negative about her. Anyways, join me next week. Ooh, I actually have more time next week, and I have an espresso machine now, so I'm gonna be fucking wired.